Hey everyone, it's the Chief of Wild Bikers Motorcycles. Today we're going to show you our latest product for the VTX1300 and 1800, the Daymaker. Exclusive for Wild Bikers Motorcycles. We're going to show you how easy it is to swap out your stock headlight and put it on a true LED Daymaker. Okay, this is everything you need for the Daymaker, and it comes in a kit. First thing we have is the new LED bulb. Now standard H4 bulbs come with US standards about 1530 lumens and 910 lumens for the low beam. When you upgrade to the Daymaker, you get up to 2200 lumens on low beam and 3500 on high beam. No better way to light up the road. This is what comes in the kit also. You got your bracket, your adapter, 2 screws, and this is all you need to install it. A Phillips head screwdriver and a pair of gloves. Now we're going to show you how easy and fast it is to install the new headlight into your VTX bucket. Now you can do this on your bike very easily, but for demonstration purposes we're doing it on the bench here so we can do some close-ups and look at the different parts and assemblies. But it's a very simple operation. First thing you're going to do is going to remove the 3 screws that hold the front bezel to the headlight bucket. One located here, one located there, and one underneath. The bottom one we won't use. Another note you should understand is that this kit is only made for the VTX1300, 1800 with the exception of the F. The F uses a different type of headlight bucket, so this adapter does not work with the F, but it works with all the other models. The C, R, S, T, N's, and a straightforward operation for all of them. So we're removing the 3 screws that are holding the bezel to it with your Phillips head screwdriver. They should come out fairly easy. Now these 2 screws here we're going to reuse, and like I said below earlier, the bottom one we will not be reusing. Now with the 3 screws out, you should be able to pry out the bezel from your headlight. Now we're going to remove the headlight assembly starting right here and right here a few screws. Obviously you're going to have to unplug your standard H4 plug in the back of the headlight first. So we're going to remove these 2. It's just again a simple Phillips head screwdriver. Turn them out. There's one. And there's 2. We are not going to reuse this assembly, and we are not going to use the attaching screws that we just took out. These 2 are no longer necessary. The 2 new bolts you get with the kit are what you're going to be using to reattach the new Daymaker. So we'll put this aside. There's the 2 attaching bolts right here, screw holes. Now, I have to tell everyone, these are just plastic. When we retorque the new screws in there, you have to be extremely careful because these will break and snap very, very simply. If it's not going in good, back out your screw and put it back in. It should go nice and easy all the way down to the bottom. And if you try to over torque it or screw it in too tight, it will bust and you're going to have to buy a whole new assembly. So now we got the assembly set here. We're going to take our new collar, line it up directly with the holes. Fits right there, there and there, right with the holes. Take our new headlight, making sure it's pointing up, which is this is up, placing that right in there. And it should fit perfectly right in that collar, nice and neat. Then we're going to take our new black adapter plate and place that in, making sure the black tab right here is located on the bottom where the bottom screw was. Line up your holes for the bracket, the headlight, and the collar. They're all lined up. Then we're going to take our new screws that were supplied with the kit and simply reattach it. Just get it started. Like I said, make sure it goes easy. If it's going in crooked, you are going to snap that plastic screw hole. Got it in there. Okay, nice and easy. Nice and easy. One got a little tight, so I'm backing it out and put it in, make sure I got it in straight. There we go, nice and straight. And that's it. It's installed into the new front bezel. Now, you simply got to put it back in the headlight bucket. I told you before, this is pointing down. That slot on this bracket here will fit into this slot here in the headlight. We make sure we get that in right. Place that in there. Get the bucket nice and tight back against where it was before. And make sure the holes line up in the top. And take our original screws we had before, screw them in. One. Hopefully you didn't forget to reconnect the bulb to the existing wiring on your VTX. There we go, installed. Your brand new Daymaker done in under 5 minutes. We hope you come back to Wild Bikers, do all our installation videos, new product videos. We appreciate you visiting our site and we appreciate your patronage. Thank you.